Lezi ndaba zehora lokuqala sigwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze emini nje. Namhlanje inhlangano engenzi inzuzo iGift of the Givers ihlinzeka ngosizo eyindaweni engaphansi komasipala iNkomazi eMpumalanga eyikhahlamezeke kakhulu ngenxa yezikhukhula.
We mourn this loss deeply and extend our condolences to the families, to the teachers and classmates of the children who lost their lives.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usedlulise amazwi enduduzo emndenini yabafundi abayi12 abashona ngesihluku engozini yetekisi eVanderbijl Park eGauteng ngomsombuluko.
Have no business trying to accommodate ingane eziwu20 zangaphandle kukhona ingane zase-South Africa enganayo indawo yokuthi ifunde.
Inhlangano okubala kuzo iMarch and March neOperation Dudula zibamba umbhikisho ngaphandle kwesikole iEddington Primary eThekwini njengoba zisola lesi sikole ngokubeka phambili izingane zabo ukufika kuleli. Sekubingelele mbukeliso kwamukele indaba yenze ehora lokuqala igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali waKwaMwali. Ihlabanga lelimhlophe qwa. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi namhlanje emini. Ake sibheke namhlanje ukuthi sikuphathele ziphi. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa wedlulise amazwi enduduzo emndenini eyehlelwe umshophi ngemva kwengozi yetekisi edlule nabafundi abayi12 eVanderbijl Park eGauteng. Ubekhuluma ke ngesikhathi evula umhlangano weinsuku ezintathu wokubhunga ngamasu okuthuthukisa ezemfundo.
Phosa uqale ngokudlulisa amazwi enduduzo ngomshopho wehlele imndeni ngokudlula emhlabeni kwezingane eziyi12 engozini yetekisi neloli eVaal.
2 days ago, 12 children lost their lives on their way to school in a most horrific accident. We mourn this loss deeply and extend our condolences to the families, to the teachers and classmates of the children.
uRamaphosa uphinde wenaba ngezingxoxo ezizogxile ekucijeni kusasa labafundi ikakhulukazi laba abasesigabeni sokuqala sokufunda.
Strengthening early grade reading and numeracy is a national priority and moral imperative. When children do not learn to read for meaning or work confidently with numbers by the end of the foundation phase, the costs of not having done that is borne by the entire education system.
Umengameli uthi uhlelo lentuthuko likazwelonke lufisa ukuthi bonke abafundi bebe nolwazi kwezezibalo nesayensi bephinde behlonyiswe nangamakhono.
The National Development Plan envisages an education system in which all learners are equipped with strong foundational skills in literacy, numeracy and science. Now this enables them to succeed in later years of schooling.
uRamaphosa uphinde wanxusa ukuthi isizwe sibamsane ekuqinisekiseni ikusasa eliqhakazile kubafundi bakuleli.
Babhodla umlilo abazali ngaphandle kwesikole samabanga aphansi eEddington eThekwini ngodaba lokuhlinzekwa kwabo kufika kuqala ngezikhala zokufunda ngaphambi kwezakhamuzi zakuleli. Inhlangano iMarch and March ihambisana neOperation Dudula ihola umbhikisho ngaphandle kwamasanga lesisikole ifuna impendulo kumnyango wezemfundo.
Kusukela ngeledlule iziphathimandla zesikole zibhekene ngeziqu zamehlo nabazali abangeneme ngenxa ukuthi izingane zabo azisitholanga isikhala sokufunda kulesi sikole samabanga aphansi eEddington ePoint. Abazali bakhala ngezinsolo zokuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi isikole sigcwele izingane zabo kufika ezabo zigcine zingasitholi isikhala sokufunda.
I do have a child in the school. I do have an adopted child in the school. So they can't stop these children because I came with the department here and they said they were not aware of what has been happening.
Oyilungu lesigungu esiphezulu seANC uDokotela Sibongiseni Dlomo uthi umbiko yokugcwala kwabangaphandle kuleli ingamampunge ihlose ukuphehla udweshu. uDlomo uthi ngokombiko abawutholilwa lesi sikole ngabafundi abangaphezulu kwama500 bokufika kuleli bayi12 kuphela abangenawo amaphepha abagunyaza ukuba kuleli.
Of the 1,548, 968 are South African learners. Yes, there are 528 undocumented foreign nationals here in the school. There are only 12 that are undocumented.
Umsunguli we-March and March okuyinhlangano ehola lombhikisho uzwakalise ukukhathazeka ngendlela uhulumeni asingathe ngayo lolu daba.
If bona bethu abantu bangaphandle bafunde fine sethande ingane noyikhokhela kuma private school kodwa yokusalayo zona kumele ifunde.
Ukhala ngokuthi abokufika bahlinzekwa ngezinsiza ukwedlula izakhamuzi zakuleli.
At the end of the day ngisho bekuthiwa zu20 ingane zangaphandle. If kukhona ingane zase-South Africa enganayo indawo, you have no business trying to accommodate ingane zu20 zangaphandle kukhona ingane zase-South Africa enganayo indawo yokuthi ifunde.
Kanti lo mbhikisho uyaqhubeka ngaphandle kwamagceke esikole ngethemba lokuthi abazali bazothola isisombululo.
Owake waba inhloko yophiko oliphenya ngezenzo zamaphoyisa iIPD Robert McBride uyaqhubeka nezethulo zobufakazi bakhe phambi kwekomiti lesikhashana lasePhalamende eliphenya kusukela einsolweni ezibucayi zanyakenye ezabekwa obala ngumkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Ubufakazi abethule namhlanje bugxile odabeni lomphenyo amacala oyimele uPaul O'Sullivan kanye nokweyamaniseka kwakhe neIPD.
uMcBride utshele ikomiti lesikhashana lasePhalamende ukuthi nakuba uPaul O'Sullivan wayengelona ilungu leIPD kodwa ubeyisebenzisa eminye imininingwane yakhe ophenyweni olwalisuke liqhutshwa iIPD. Uphinde watshela amalungu ad hoc ukuthi unemqingo yamadokoda abucayi kakhulu okulwazi analo ngaphambi kokuthi okunye kwakho kuze kudalulwe edlangalaleni ngumkhwanazi ngonyaka wedlule.
All the answers are here, written long before 6th of July 2025. The answers were here already about all these issues you're asking me about. Nothing to do with anything else, nothing to do with allegations made by Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. It was here already, affidavits, court papers, judgments, all there.
So, in a nutshell, you mean you have used information from Paul O'Sullivan to arrive at decision on the investigations IPD conducted?
In a nutshell, some of his information proved useful in our investigations.
So your investigations were resourced in terms of information by Paul O'Sullivan, who's not part of IPD.
Or anybody else who had information.
Amalungu ad hoc azoqhubeka nokuhloma ngembuzo uMcBride okulindeleke ukuthi kuqhubeke usuku lonke lwanamhlanje.
Far-fetched accusations.
Inhloko yebhange lombuso uLisitsha Kganyago uthi umela kuleli lifuna ukusimama kuzofanele liyimele ibhange lombuso. Ubekhuluma njengoba kuqhubeka ingqungquthela yokubhunga ngezithinta umnotho emhlabeni jikelele eDavos eSwitzerland.
Ibhange lombuso litshela beindaba zeSABC ukuthela kuleli nenhlanhla yokuthi ukuyimela kwebhange lombuso into ekhona kumthetho sekelo. Kganyago uthi kuleminyaka embalwa eyedlule kuke kwadingidwa mayelana nokuyimela kwamabhange amakhulu. Uqhubeke wathi ubumqoka bokuyimela kwamabhange ombuso into eyalungiswa kungqungquthela yeG20 yayiseGoli.
In central banks writing that letter, it was reminding the world that there is actually a global commitment to central bank independence. But for us in South Africa, it was also just to reiterate that the issue of central bank independence was one of the key constitutional principles that underpinned the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa.
Ingxoxo ziphinde zagxila enguqukweni ezenziwe njengoba sekunezobuchwepheshe nje ezaziwa ngeAI phecelezi artificial intelligence. Isikhulu esiphezulu seNSFAS sithi yize sekukuningi osekwenziwe ukuphumelelisa yona iAI kusekuningi futhi okusafanele kwenziwe.
There's still a lot of work that has to be done to get our youth to where they need to be. But as a private sector organization, Naspers and Prosus, we are focused on ensuring that we're providing the skilling, we're providing access to entrepreneurship, and we're providing access to ensuring that people can have meaningful employment in their roles that they play.
Isifundazwe Gauteng sizilungiselela indlela yokwazi ukutshala imali kule ngqungquthela ye-World Economic Forum.
U-Advocate Bulelani Mkhonto we-Legal Practice Council uthi sayivamile igameko zokudubula ngaphandle kwezinkantolo kuleli. Lokhu kuzemva kokuba kudutshulwe kwabulawa abantu abahlanu kwathi abathathu balimala ngaphandle kwenkantolo emantshi yaseBoysen eGoli.
Umnyango wezobulungiswa uqinisekise ukuthi ivuliwe inkantolo emantshi yaseBoysen namhlanje ize kube nesigameko sokudutshulwa kwabantu abahlanu ngaphandle kwayo izolo. Kulaba abahlanu kushona ababili kwalimala abathathu kanti kubalwa nommeli kubo labantu abadutshuliwe. Advocate Bulelani Mkhonto we-Legal Practice Council uphawulile ngalesi senzo esesibukeka siwumkhokha kuleli njengoba nasesifundazweni Western Cape sike senzeka isigameko esifuze lesi.
It's saddening to hear that at this stage the crime has become so bad that members of the community, some of them, have got such audacity to even attack legal practitioners.
Advocate Mkhonto uxwayise abameli ngokuthi bengathembisa abantu ukuthi bazonqoba emacaleni kepha bathi bazokwenza konke okusemandleni abo.
Now, this is whereby we as legal practitioners, we've got a moral responsibility, whereby we must take upon ourselves that even when we're representing people, we should not make empty promises and be arrogant in such a way that you say, no, don't worry, this case is sorted, I'm going to win it. You never say that, you never make such proclamations. Instead, you say, I'll do my utmost legal best. So in the event that the magistrate or the judge goes against your decision, therefore, you don't find yourself in such a predicament. Because I know of a colleague personally, I just won't mention their family name out of respect for the deceased, whereby he made such representations and as a result found himself with 7 bullets.
Kuqinisekiswe ukuthi kuzobhekisiswa ezokuphepha ngaphandle kwa inkantolo emantshi yaseBoysen kulandela lesi sigameko.
Bukeli sithatha iqu 8 kanti ngabe sibuya sokuphathela uWT.
Sithororize amazamazama kule ndawo esihlala kuyo esiporweni. Sesiyasaba manje.
Amakhulu emndeni asekhoseliswe ehholo lomphakathi eRandfontein eMpumalanga Randi ngenxa yokuthi umphakathi usula lobenyoni ngenxa yalabo abamba ngokungemthetho kuleya ndawo. Sikubingelela siphinde sikwamukele ke mbukeli mangabe usanda kungena sikhumbuze ukuthi lezi indaba ke ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ungena kuze uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngomjalo bazo. Mbukeli ke sike sakubikela ke ngodaba lwase Mpumalanga lapha okuneyikhukhula khona sizokhuluma nje nentatheli yakhona kungekudala uhlezi ulibhojoza umphakathi wendawo eMjondolo iSporong ngenxa ke yamazamazama asezeke abalekela ehholo. Uhlezi libhojoza umphakathi wendawo eMjondolo iSporong njengoba uthi labo abamba ngokungemthetho abaziwa ngozamazama bayakhuthuza babashaye baphinde babahlukumeze ngokucansi. Lo mphakathi usuze wabaleka wayokhosela ehholo lomphakathi.
Sila eRandgate eRandfontein njengoba ke sivakashele ke umphakathi okuthiwa usuka eSporong njengoba ke uze kuleli holo. Leli holo ke lumomethe umthamo wabantu abacele emakhulwini amahlanu kanti bathi babalekela laba babizwa ngokuthi ke ozamazama baziwa ngokumba ngokungemthetho kanti kuthiwa ke babahlalise libhojozi njengoba bengena umuzi nomuzi bebafuna imali bebaxhaphaza bebashaya kanti ke njengamanje ngizozama ukwethula ke esinye isakhamuzi esizokwazi ukuthi sisichazele kabanzi ngalokhu baba asikwamukele sikubingelele indabeni zosuku sicela nje usichazele ukuthi kahle kahle yini enenze ukuthi nize nithole senila kuleli holo.
Ukuthi sisithole sila kuleli holo sithororize amazamazama kule ndawo esihlala kuyo eSporweni. Sesiyasaba manje seku amalanga amaningi baloko basiterrorize ngebhamu asikwazi kulala sinabantwana sinabafazi sinemndeni wethu lapha siyasaba.
Ngingakhuluma namanye amalungu omphakathi abechaza ukuthi ke isimo simanzonzo ngendlela yokuthi ke abazi ukuthi bazokwenza njani ngoba bona abayimisele ngokuthi babuyele kule ndawo abahlala kuyo iSporong ngenxa yokuthi ke umphakathi uhlaliswe libhojozi ozamazama. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni zeSABC ngibika ngiseRandfontein.
Inhlangano engenzi inzuzo iGift of the Givers kulindele ukuthi ihlinzeke ngezijumbane zokudla kanye nezinye idingo eindaweni ekhahlanyezwe yikhukhula kumasipala iNkomazi eMpumalanga. Le ndawo ingenye ke yeindawo ekhahlameze kakhulu ngenxa yezikhukhula zakamuva. Njengamanje ke mbukeli siphosa intambo entathelini yeSABC uNonhlanhla Jele onkanise khona lapha esifundazweni iMpumalanga. Nonhlanhla asikubingelele sikomele indaba enze ihora lokuqala emini. Ingabe sesenjani kodwa isimo lapho ukhona yini kanti futhi ke noma izakhamuzi zilidinga kangakanani lolu sizo?
Sibingelele nophoda ngibingelele nababukeli emakhaya njengoba sisilo sela kumasipala weNkomazi eMpumalanga la sisendaweni ekubizwa iBuffalo yenye yindawo la iGift of the Givers seyifikile yanikezela umphakathi ngokudla okunye bakubizwa nama-hydrated. Umlingane wami ulungile uzokukhomba nje some of the things abazitholile namuhla faka phakathi ukudla nama-pads nema-tissue nezinyana ezinjalo ney'ngubo. Mara khona manje sengizokhuluma nalabo mama laba bala emphakathini wala eBuffalo. Bomama ngicela ngisondele nyana kancane. Ngiyabonga for isikhathi yokusikhulumisa la eSABC namuhla. Nilemalelo kangakanani since imvula le iqalile ukuna nakhona nosizo neludingayo iluphi? Ngizobambela mama. Silimele. Lala kathikothi kwenkokwanto nezandla. Konke kwakhona ngenzuzo konke kusehlelane kwanzo abantwana silala kabuhlungu abantwana nje bancane mama ungafuna ukubona usito olunjani Okay, ngiyabonga mama. Nakhona njengoba uzile abomama laba bayathi ukuthi bawonakalelwe kakhulu ezindlini. Lo mama oyi-1 usihlala nabantwana ku-1 room umosheke yonke into ngaphakathi. Lo munye lo mama othikisi la yena abasala khona kujibike yonke into. So uyafisa ukuthi ngathi umasipala nohulumende ungafika la yena ahlala khona bazobona bazofuna ukubasiza at least bazame ukubathela maybe ama-RDC endaweni la bahlala kiyo. Of course njengoba sisekhona la bonile langani ilanga seliyavela kancane abahlali bala eNkomazi bayazama ukuxoxa impilo zabo bazame ukuphetha laba ngaphetha khona yazi ukuthi neGift of the Givers iyachubeka yanikezela ngokudla nangama-blankets of course nakwabanye abantu abadinga amaselo ukuthi bavale emaruphini njengoba imvula ibonakala ngathi isazoqhubeka ine siyazi ukuthi la eNkomazi noxolo 570 households are affected ngale mvula leso of course njengoba sila Inkomazi sokuqhubeka sazise ababukeli nabalaleli emakhaya Inkomazi ukuthi kwenzakalani noxolo.
Liyaqhubeka namhlanje enkantolo ephakeme yaseMthatha ehleze lusikisiki icala labalisa abayisithupha abasolwa ngokubulala abantu abayi-18 engobozana esifundazweni iEastern Cape. Ummeli womunye wabasolwa uAphiwe Ndende kulindeleke epheke ngembuzo umsolwa usephenduka ufakazi wombuso uLwando Abi. Ukuzwa kabanzi ngalolu daba njengamanje sixhumana nentatheli yeSABC ufundiswa Mhlekude onkanise elusikisiki. Fundiswa asikubingelele izindaba enze ihora lokuqala emini sicela nje ukuthi usilandise ngokuqhubekayo enkantolo namhlanje.
Hlabangane limhlophe qhwa namhlanje into eyenzekayo ifana neyenzeke izolo. Uyawukhumbula ukuba igqwetha lommangalelwa wesibini umnumzana uMawande Nokhwali upheka ngemibuzo ingqina eliyinhloko apha umnumzana uLwando Abi. Uyawukhumbula ukuba bagxila ngakumbi kwistatement ezimbini awathi wazenza bathi kukhona ukungahambelani kwazo. Namhlanje sibona umnumzana uMawande Nokhwali egxeka umnumzana uAbi ngelithi uqale uqale ukutshintsha izinto abezithethile ngaphambili kwistatement sokuqala emva kokuba ethenjiswe ngokuba angangathutshiswa xa enothi ajike abelinqina lombuso. Ngoku ke inkundla isamile okwethutyana izawuphinde ingene kungekudala, kodwa ke ukukrobisa eyona nto athetha ngayo kukuba izinto abezithethile mhlawumbe ezifana nangalamhla babebanjwe ngazo azihambelani nezinto azithetha emva kokuba ethenjiswe ukuba xa enothi ajika abelinqina lombuso uzawuthi angathutshiswa. Uthi umzekelo ngalamhla babechithe ubusuku esiseleni nommangalelwa wesibini uAphiwe Ndente, kodwa ngokweengxelo ayenzileyo kwesinye istatement kuthiwa zange bachithe even iyure eyi-1 ngaphakathi. Zezo zinto ke ezenza ukuba ubungqina obu bengqina lombuso buthande ukuba bungahambelani kwaye bukhweshinwe kakhulu ngamagqwetha, njengoba sisazi ukuba nomnumzana uMzukisi Ndamase ekuqaleni kwakhe ukwenza ukukhweshina umnumzana uAbi wayegxile ekubeni azihambelani izinto azithethayo, izistatement zakhe khona ukungahambelani kuzo. Noxolo.
Sibonga kakhulu ke mbukeli lowo bekungufundiswa Mhlekude besibikela elaphaya elusikisiki. Namhlanje kubizwe ungoti wezokuxhumana ngomakhalekhukhwini ecaleni lokwebiwa kwemali engamadola asemelika eplazini kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa iPhalaphala. Utshele inkantolo ukuthi omakhalekhukhwini babasolwa babesebenza ngesikhathi sisodwa ePhalaphala ngosuku lokwebiwa kwemali. Waphinde wathola futhi nokuthi uFloriana Joseph washayela ucingo uEmmanuela David noNdilinasho Joseph kanye nofakazi wombuso amahlandla abalelwe emashumi-45.
We dealt with the handset with cell phone number associated with Erki Shikongo, Simon Hijapo, Froliana Joseph, David Joseph, Thomas Nishimono, now all activating cell phone towers in Pretoria CBD in the vicinity of Bosman bus station. The handsets with cell phone numbers associated with the following individuals activated cell phone towers in the vicinity of Intercape bus station, Bosman, around the same times.
Mbukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uzolandela emva kwekhefu. Mbukeli sibeka lapha besikuphathele zona emini ube nobusuku obuhle noma ke ube nosuku oluhle, usale kahle.